I was out in this thing the other night on the highway, 5th gear. I was going to give it gas, and all of a sudden this thing started like hesitating and jerking, and I don't know what was up with it, but it was on the stock ECU. I do have some modifications. I have the InGen going to alpha header, throttle body spacer. I already know kind of what it might be. It's either the mass airflow sensor that's messing up, that needs a quick cleaning, throttle position sensor, which is right in the back right there, or it could be some type of like intake vacuum leak or something like that. I have oil in the car. You guys can see dipstick oil is full in the car. It's perfect level, and there's coolant. It's super weird because I don't have any check engine lights right now, so I'm like kind of confused. It's kind of checking for any loose wiring. It can't be my O2 sensor, it can't be spark plugs. I just did that. I just did my spark plugs, so unless it's a coil pack. But the problem is I don't have any check engine lights, so I'm hoping today when we go around and rip around, a light will pop up. All right, so let's start this thing up, see how it idles. So I'm going to shut this thing off real quick, do another ECU relearn, and then I can go ahead and start it again. I got my foot on the throttle barely, right? It's like I release my foot, put it back on the throttle, and it like jerks. And then looking right here, I know it's hard to see, you can see my throttle position sensor is working, so is my throttle plate. In some Lucas injector cleaner right here. As you can see, stuff's pretty good. I use it here and there. 10 bucks, 10.25 of the premium, and I only poured in half the bottle. So we're gonna just make sure now that our gas cap is tight. I know this sounds crazy, guys. A mass airflow sensor cleaner. This stuff was super expensive, but apparently people swear by it, so hopefully it does the job. This thing's still doing the problem, guys. As I'm accelerating, I take my foot off the gas. When I go to put it back on, it jerks. I'm in 6th gear right now, right? 72. I give it a little bit of gas. Air fuel's at 16. Look at how lean that is, dude. It's 5,500 RPMs, and my air fuel ratio shot up to like 18.5. And good thing I didn't go into VTEC, because this thing probably was gonna blow up. So running really, really lean right now. I've never had an issue with this at all. I just wanted to switch back to stock just to see like MPG differences and stuff, but this thing is running like complete crap, and I've never had this issue before when I switched back to stock from my tune. That explains why it's so choppy right now, because I'm hitting like rich and lean spots in the air fuel mixture, and this thing doesn't even know what to do right now. So I'm paying attention to my air fuel right now, and I just can't believe it went up that high, guys. I'm like shook. I'm just trying to get home. I'm gonna try to do a few more things to this thing that I can, and I still don't have any CEL, so this is like a really hard issue to diagnose without a CEL. I have my Honda plugged in looking for error codes, and I have nothing yet, guys. It just went up to 17.9, and it's like when I give it gas, it goes up to 15. I shift, and it goes down to like 11. It's just pulling in right now. We're sketched out Really sketched out. This has never happened to me before, guys. My air fuel has never been that screwed up.